You ready for this hike?
Oh yeah. My calf is so tight, dude. I think from walking so much last night.
Are you happy to be back on Onwards and Upwards?
I'm stoked to be back, man.
It's been a few years.
It's been like, what, 2?
What month is it?
June. Dude, I totally forgot.
How's the weather conditions today?
They are absolutely ideal. Totally ideal. We're living in the Hawaii of Canada right now.
Yeah. Welcome back to Onwards and Upwards, everybody. You know, it's been a while. It feels good to be back making a video. As you see, I got a mustache right now. You know, I thought I'd shave it soon, but might as well rock it for a little bit. And you know, comment below if you think it's you know, a transgression against humanity, or if it's works well. So today we're going to be hiking up Mount Finlayson in Goldstream Provincial Park here on Southern Vancouver Island. And just like Liam said, great weather for it, great day. We're in June now, so the days are long. So let's get up there, see the trail, get some time lapses. Big trees here. So we're about 20 minutes on the trail or so. Already getting a big sweat on. My Achilles are quite sore. It always takes a while to get back into hiking shape in the early summer for me. Let's keep going up. So we're entering this rocky portion of the trail. There's some very mild rock climbing that, when it's not raining, is quite easy to do. Just up here. So have you climbed this mountain before?
One time.
And how was it?
It was wet, it was cold, it was dangerous.
Yeah.
But we made it. It was winter time.
So you had to climb up these rocks in the rain?
Yeah. Yeah, it was slick. I fell a couple times actually.
And what's the worst that could happen if you slid down off the rocks, you think?
You could die for sure. I mean, if you look down there, it's a drop. Straight up, basically.
Nice day.
Beautiful day.
Yeah. Yeah, in the rain that could be pretty hectic.
Yeah. Like a slipper in the dry.
Hello. So when my dad was younger, he went up this mountain, and he said that none of these developments on this hill were there yet, and it was just kind of pure nature, whereas now it's you know, there's just almost endless development going on across the hillside there. And in the far distance you can see the Olympic Mountains in northern Washington state in the USA. Pretty nice hike up here. We're pretty close to the summit now. It's probably around 4:30 in the afternoon, and it's just a beautiful day, so thanks for coming along. So now we're just very shortly going to be at the top, and I'm fairly exhausted, but it's a beautiful day up here, and happy to be out here for sure. (1,365 feet or 416 meters), named after Roderick Finlayson, 1818-1892, fur trader and later a member of the Legislative Council of the British Crown Colony of Vancouver Island. How is that rock section?
It's a lot better when it's dry. I'll tell you that.
So you just got down there. Damn, look at that rock there that he just climbed down. I'm gonna have to just climb down there in a sec. Beautiful sunlight shining through the trees. So we're just gonna be sending it down the mountain here in a sec and finishing off the video. So thanks for watching. Look at that moss. So how was the hike?
Good hike. I give it a 7 out of 10. It's that low because you can see so much city. I feel like it's sicker to see like mountains and like nature and waterfalls and lakes and stuff. So.
Yeah.
But the hike itself, like the walking, is probably like a 9. But the view is like a 7.
Boom, 7 out of 10.
LTP rated.
LTP rated.
I suppose on the way down it was more refreshing. Way up was a bit sweaty and drippy. Yeah.
Big trees here. Quite massive, you see. Hold your arms out.
Huh? I almost fell down there. I got like size dizziness. Bigger than me.
Like, subscribe and share. Click on. Do like, subscribe and share this video towards your family, friends and everything. Go, hit like button.